Hello everyone, welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. So I thought today's video we would show you what it's really like when you wake up on a Sunday morning and it has stormed all night. Water has gotten on all your newborn baby rabbits. The fur is getting cold. The moms are panicky. The wind's blowing at probably 25 miles per hour from the north. And you're hustling while you don't feel good to get everything set up correctly. So let me show you guys what Steven's doing to save these babies' lives. This is to keep, it's like a privacy window curtain basically. And we're putting blackout curtain, that's it, Steve. Keep the sun out. Well, guess what? It also keeps the wind out really well. And we're in a hurry because I need to get Steven to a doctor. It's Sunday. We're having him miss church. We can't afford him to miss work. His tonsils are huge. Not the ivermectin. Nothing's working. You see these babies? They're way too cold. It's all right, sweetheart. Oh, Steve, they're way too cold.
Baby, ain't nothing I can do about it.
Oh, it's all right, babies. It's all right, babies. Oh, come on, you guys. Y'all can do this. Come on. Oh no. Oh no, you guys. We had a storm. We did not expect it to drop 3 inches of rain. Guys are freezing. So with baby rabbits, here's the thing. They don't have fur, okay? They're born without fur. Now what I'm fixing to do is take a small hand towel and warm it up, really warm in the dryer, and lay it on top of them in the nest, trying to bring up their body temperatures quickly. I haven't even had a chance to brush my hair or put on my good glasses. These are like my working glasses. I wear them because if they fall into the poop or they break or I drop them in a pond, I can do without them. But you guys, this was not what we expected. We woke up this morning. So we moved the babies into a new nesting box. The problem is their mother's fur was wet. So it dropped their body temperature. See, she pulls her fur, makes them a nest, and then puts them inside of it, like they're inside of her body, and they stay warm. The problem is we had to move them out of that nest quickly because it was wet. The nesting box was soaking wet. The rain came so hard. The edge of the shed is like 5 feet from that box, but it blew it at a slant 5 feet underneath. And now with this north wind blowing, it can't be 65 degrees out here, but the problem is the wind on these cool, damp babies. So I'm heating up this towel, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it back out there. I'm gonna lay it on top of the babies and try to heat up the wood chips and stuff around them so that they can create body heat enough to play off of each other until she decides to pull some more fur and cover them up. Okay, out of breath here, you guys. I just ran back across the yard with this warm towel, trying to warm these babies up. They're okay, Mama. They're okay, Mama. They're all right. They're in there. It's all right. It's all right. I gotta warm them up, Duty. They're too cold, pretty girl. Your babies are too cold. See if you can get any from that dewlap. All right, so what Steve's doing is seeing if there's any extra. He's not hurting her.
It looks mean, but it ain't. She will bite me eventually.
Yeah, that's why they have dewlaps, y'all. It actually grows extra fur for the babies. Her fur is insulated. If we can get just a little bit of her fur on top of those babies with that warm towel, it'll warm the fur up. It'll get the baby's temperatures back up. It'll save them. If they get lethargic, they won't nurse. They won't nurse. It takes 24 to 36 hours, they're dead. She had a beautiful group of healthy babies. It was her first litter. She got them in the box. She kept them all alive. We don't want to fail her. Okay, so we've got them covered. Body temperatures are going back up. Thank you, Jesus. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna get out of my work clothes. I'm gonna get my hair brushed, get some makeup on, take my husband, get his tonsils checked. Guys, say a prayer for the babies. We've done everything we can. We blocked the wind, changed their nest box, pulled new hair for them, and warmed them up manually. So now it's up to God and it's up to Mom whether or not they live. God bless you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, because one thing we do, we keep it real with you.